is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions. This is Derek Ray, joined for commentary by former England international Lee Dixon, and getting ready for what should be potentially thrilling action here. Every reason to believe this will be exciting, Lee.
Yeah, thanks as always, Derek. It's a pleasure to be here. Anticipating a really good game today. The atmosphere is great. Certainly buzzing from the spectators' point of view as we head towards kick-off. Hopefully, we won't be disappointed.
Fabian Koch. Well, attacking possibilities. And space for them here on the flank. And a throw-in it's going to be. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Thompson. Wondolowski. Perfect tackle. Well, the pass not finding its target. Wondolowski. Judson. Andres Rios. That's a good-looking ball. Promising attack, this. Still level here, but the pressure escalating. It might be on for them. Andres Rios. Terrific block there. Well, he stopped them just when they looked menacing. Fabian Koch. Petsos. Difficult to stop him. And the cross is very much on. Koch. And thwarted there following the cross. Lima. Oswaldo Alanis. Judson. Rios. Now Carlos Fierro. Andres Rios. Judson. Not getting anxious when they have the ball. Rios. Wondolowski. What can he do from here? They really look after the ball when they have it. Options in the middle. He might be able to profit from the wide position. Nice looking pass. Koch. Well, they've given him too much space. Will he play it in? Petsos. Koch. Real danger. Still pushing for the goal that would put them ahead, but not forcing it. Koch. That is that for the first half here. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Judson. Now Carlos Fierro. Oswaldo Alanis. Deserves credit for winning the ball back. Moving into the advanced position. Committed challenge. Ewell. Now Carlos Fierro. Lima. Showing patience as well as persistence in the build-up. Lima. Fierro.
Well, as you can see from the possession, there's little between these two teams. It's been a real tight, cagey affair. You just hope it opens up a little, that one of these teams is willing to take a few risks.
Crossing opportunity. Pressure exerted, but he keeps the ball. Fierro. Cross could be useful. A decisive clearance it was. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. He's protecting it effectively, but it can't get through. Making sure nothing came of it. Dedic. Dedic. Losing possession. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Chris Wondolowski. Perfectly positioned to take it away. So 20 minutes to go. Well, that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. Both managers deciding this is the time to change things around. Both teams going to the bench. Crossing possibilities. Fed over towards the back post. Simple for the keeper. And intercepted it. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. Alert defending. Wondolowski. Jutson. On the attack, is there to be late drama? Can they get in behind them? Can he put them in front? Really important tackle. Fabian Koch. And players waiting in the centre. This looks threatening. And now can he keep calm? This is why we adore this game. Late drama, and now they're in front.
Well, it looks like the game is over, but no, there's another chance. And there it is, back of the net. It looks like the winner.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Inside the final 2 minutes of this contest. Chris Wondolowski. How can they find a late leveller? 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. Petsos. Well, they've lost the ball. And there goes the final whistle, and the home fans are going to be happy about this outcome, Lee.
Yeah, well, it could really have gone either way.